Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to compile and run your C++ and Python file with shortcut. First of all, open extension, then search for compile. Install this extension. After installation, go to setting, then click on keyboard shortcut. Search for compile. Here you found extension.compile run. Right click on that and click on add key binding, then press Ctrl 0, which is our shortcut key to run C++ file. Then press enter. Go to your file, then press Ctrl 0. Here you can see our file run successfully. Open C++ file, then press Ctrl 0. C++ file also runs successfully. Now we run Python file with shortcut key. For that you have appliance name extension installed. If you don't have, then search for appliance and install that. After that, go to setting and click on keyboard shortcut. Here search for Python run. You will get Python run Python file. Right click on that and click on add key binding, then press Ctrl decimal. You can set whatever key you want to run Python file with shortcut. Then open Python file, then press Ctrl decimal. You can see our program run successfully.